Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach the chapter Leaves in Our Lives. This is a basic structure of a leaf. Leaf stalk, leaf blade, main vein, side vein. But there is a variety of the shape, size, texture, smell, color of the leaves. They may be simple with one blade or compound with many leaflets. Most leaves that we see around us are green because of the presence of the chlorophyll. Some plants like a croton have colored leaves and some even changes their colors with a change in seasons. Leaves may be big, small, broad, long or thin. They must be different shapes. Leaves may be big or small. For example, a lotus leaf is round and broad while guava leaf is oval. Eucalyptus leaves are long and thin. Peepal leaves are triangular and broad and pine leaves are thin and needle shaped. The leaves of the cactus plants are in the form of spines. The pitcher plant has leaves that take the shape of a pitcher with a lid. Even the edges of leaves may not be the same. Mango and banana leaves have even and smooth edges. Rose leaves have uneven or jagged edges. We can identify some plants from the unique smell of their leaves. For example, the leaves of the coriander, mint and neem plant have a peculiar smell. The feel or texture of all leaves is not the same. Some leaves like rubber plant are thick and smooth. The leaves of plants like mango and neem are soft, while those of rose and hibiscus are rough to touch. Leaves plays an important role in our life. Green leaves make food for the plants in the presence of air, water, sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Oxygen is a gas that is given out the end of the photosynthesis. This gas is essential for animals, humans to breathe and to live. Herbivorous animals like deer, goat and giraffes eat leaves. We eat leaves of many plants like coriander, mint, spinach, lettuce, beetle and fenugreek. The leaves of the indigo and henna are used as dyes. The leaves of the tree plants are used to prepare tea. Curry leaves, bay leaves, coriander, mint leaves are used to add flavor to food. The leaves of neem, tulsi, eucalyptus and many others have medicinal value. Large banana leaves and dried leaves of dhak trees are used as plate to serve food. The roofs of the hut are also made using the leaves of coconut, palm and date palm. Leaves designs are used on textiles, pottery and walls of houses. Most plants shed their leaves once a year. Trees in colder regions shed their leaves in autumn to lessen the need of the water. Fallen leaves can be used to make compost. It is useful fertilizers which restore lost nutrients to the soil.